Sakafet, that means what's up. My name is Aliza. Welcome or welcome back. We're gonna do a self-care Monday. So I first started off by showering and washing my hair. Now I'm going to my friend's spot and she's gonna retwist and style our hair, so that's the first thing off the list.
Not that bad. It just needs a little shaping. To the salon!
I love it.
So we are finally home. It took about 5 hours to get both of our hair retwisted and styled. I'm hitting my little pen, trying to relax. I have my food and I'm about to watch Trinity on YouTube. So we're really about to just chill, relax, and that is definitely self-care. So now we're outside and we're gonna try and garden. Mind you, we've never really gardened before, at least not on our own, but you know, back in the day with our aunt, we'd always be in the garden with her, but we were kids, so we didn't really retain a lot of the information. So whatever we see on YouTube or TikTok, we're gonna give it a try. So let me show you the seeds that we have. We have these store-bought seeds, spinach, carrot, and 2 different types of lettuce. We do have like a cat litter thing, peat seedling starter trays. So we'll put the soil and the seeds, and then eventually we can cut them up and put them in the ground, directly in the ground. Yeah, this is key lime seeds. These ones are apple. My dad threw them in there. This is her baby, the mango, you know what I'm saying. And then these are some sunflowers. Love bugs are attacking us and we're killing them one by one. She doesn't like bugs, so we're moving to the garage. Butterflies are a little scary, but look at this shit. Look at this shit. It's now the next day. I'm gonna continue doing things that I enjoy doing. So we're about to go to Five Below. There's a rug I want. I have this rug on my floor and I have one on this end, but my dog peed on it. So I washed it and it's not straight anymore, so it's just in the corner, but I want a rug for right there. So we're gonna go to Five Below.
Damn, Simeon.
I'm back home. Let me show you what I got at Five Below. I got this rug. I got these plants. I got this shirt. I've never seen Goosebumps, but this shit fire. And I got this shirt, cause I love The Simpsons. I keep forgetting to take my vitamins. It's a little bit later in the day, and so far I did my brows, kind of messed up my skin a little bit. I did a much needed face mask, and I did my toes. Then I went outside, grounded myself a little bit. It was just for a few minutes, but you know, that's better than nothing. Now I'm about to put a cowrie shell at the bottom of each piece, or at least I'm gonna try to, and then I'm gonna finally do my nails. So I'm about to do my nails. I'm gonna use these nail tips, this nail glue, and this nail lamp. So I got this off Amazon for about $20, and it is a dupe for a more expensive brand, which is over $100. So I already cut my nails, but I'm gonna file it down and cut my cuticles. Then I'm gonna find the right size for each nail. Then I'll shape it, and then I'm gonna start applying it with the glue, cure it under the lamp, and then we can move to the next step. My nails, and this is how they look. I'm not gonna zoom in too much because I'm still very much a beginner. This was my first time trying these nails out. The application process for the nails were fairly easy. It took about 30 minutes. It's just the painting part that was a little hard. If you made it to the end of this video, I just want to say thank you so much. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to subscribe. And I'm just gonna end off this little self-care video by burning some incense, cleansing my space, and journaling. And it is a new moon, so positive vibrations.